powering up your vocabulary with the "ive" suffix. Hello, word explorers. Today, we're going to dive deep into the sea of English language and emerge with a pearl. We're focusing on suffixes forming adjectives, specifically the "ive" suffix. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use this suffix to create adjectives and expand your English vocabulary. Let's get started. The "ive" suffix is a common one in English. It's used to turn a noun or a verb into an adjective. It means pertaining to or capable of. This suffix can be really useful to help you expand your vocabulary and understand the meaning of new words you encounter. Examples of words with the "ive" suffix are productive, active, and creative. Here, the suffix "ive" turns the roots product, act, and crete into adjectives. The "ive" suffix can turn verbs into adjectives. For instance, the verb attract becomes the adjective attractive. In the same way, decide becomes decisive, and react turns into reactive. In each case, the "ive" suffix gives the adjective a meaning of having the quality or tendency to perform the action of the verb. The "ive" suffix isn't just for verbs. It can also turn nouns into adjectives. For example, the noun narrative becomes the adjective narrative. Similarly, sport turns into sportive, and festivity becomes festive. Like with verbs, the "ive" suffix gives the adjective a meaning related to the noun. Now that we understand how to use the "ive" suffix, it's time to practice. Here are some words for you to transform. Solve, verb. Addict, noun. Explore, verb. Festivity, noun. Pause the video and see if you can turn these words into adjectives using the "ive" suffix. Pause. The answers are solutive, addictive, explorative, and festive. We've reached the end of our deep dive into the "ive" suffix. I hope you're leaving with a better understanding of how you can use this suffix to form adjectives and enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these new words in your conversations and writings. Until our next language adventure, keep exploring and happy learning.